Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're pitting LM Studio against WebUI, two hot tools for running AI models locally in 2025. So LM Studio is a desktop app that makes running AI models like Llama or Mistral a breeze. Download it, pick a model from Hugging Face, and go, all offline. WebUI, though, is a browser-based platform. Think ChatGPT vibes that pairs with backends like Llama for local models, offering more flexibility. Both keep your data private, but they're built for different crowds. So LM Studio's pros: it's beginner-friendly, slick UI, built-in model discovery, and a OpenAI-like server for easy integration. I ran Llama in 3 minutes. Cons: well, it's not open source, so businesses might bulk, and it's resource heavy. My Mac slowed with big models. Great for solo users who want simplicity over customization. Now, WebUI. So it shines with customization. Tweak the interface, run multiple models side by side, and it's open source. Perfect for devs. It's lighter too. No big install. Downsides: well, setup is trickier. You need a Llama or another backend running, and it's less plug and play. Ideal if you're tech savvy and want control. So which one should you choose in 2025, guys? So LM Studio's your pick for a no-fuss all-in-one experience, great for casual users or quick tests. WebUI wins for flexibility and advanced tweaking. Devs and teams, this is you. Match your skills and goals, both rock for local AI. Thoughts, drop them below. Like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.